Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is an app. New, click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. In the advanced features section, you can find the first option, the language. And here you can search or you can select another languages, for example Hungarian, Chinese and more, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.